You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this country that is commonly known as Hungary. But how do you call Hungary in Hungarian? This is what we're looking at today. If you want to learn more Hungarian, stay tuned. There are more pronunciations for you and more country names. Magyarország. Magyarország in Hungarian. How to pronounce Hungarian pronunciation. Magyarország. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.